This video is made for educational and entertainment purposes. Do not repeat anything that you'll see in this video.
Nothing happens. Basically, that's totally unexpectable, but... Alright, Henry, I have a few minutes before I go to sleep, so basically I'm just gonna go through these instructions with you to make sure you understand it. Because I have no idea why you can't get it right. Maybe you make a mistake at some stage, so I'm just gonna record it just in case. And yeah, guys, in case I upload this on YouTube, I want to say that I'm recording this for my friend Henry. I'm recording this for fun. It's just my random experience, and I don't recommend repeating any of that. If you're underage, turn this video off immediately. Okay, so basically, here are the steps, and I'm just gonna start with the first one. I'm going here, and I'm gonna drop it in chat. Basically, it's no big deal, and actually, yeah, I think maybe you made a mistake while you were going through the steps. So watch closely this time. Hopefully, you're gonna get it right this time. So basically, I'm just dropping these in the chat. The final one, and obviously that's it. Okay, it's loading. Yeah. And yeah, so I'm gonna do something here. So just give me just a sec, Henry. Basically, I'm selecting that. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, I'm just gonna continue here. So I suppose you were doing the same, but just in case maybe you missed something, or I don't know, just watch closely. Okay, I'm just dropping it here. Okay. Then this, and basically that's it. So it's processing. Yeah, and by the way, say hello to Jessica from me. Hope you guys are having a great vacation. Okay. So, hopefully you're gonna get it right this time. So, okay, here comes the most fascinating part. Because, I'm done with the settings. Now I'm just gonna... Yeah, that was great. So, I guess I'm all set. I'm gonna hit the continue button, and basically, you were supposed to see the same screen. So... Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna start playing. I'm just gonna have a look at this tab, and I'm just gonna open these tiles. Yeah, I'm just opening them, and that's the best part, because I'm totally loving this gameplay. So here's the last one, and yeah, I mean, it's so much fun playing it, man. I mean, hope you're gonna enjoy it when you get it right. So I'm gonna give it one more go, I guess, to make sure you understand it completely. Just like that. Yeah, and one more go. I'm just gonna do the same. I'm just gonna open the same tiles. Basically, I'm gonna come back to that tab. Then I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna do the same. I just want to make sure you get it right. So basically, that's how it is. This is pure fun. I mean, it's so much fun playing it, and I'm loving it. Hopefully, you're gonna love it too. So yeah, Henry, I suppose you're gonna love it. So, I guess I'm gonna show you the final stage as well, just to make sure you understand every single step. Basically, I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna come back here. Okay, I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna proceed here. All right. And I'm gonna drop it right here. And basically that's it. It's no big deal at all. I mean, just like that. And I hope everything is clear to you so far. In the meantime, it's done. yeah, that's just great. And obviously, I'm just gonna go back here. And I'm just gonna wait. And yep, just in case I upload this on YouTube, I want to say that I'm just showing my random experience. I don't give any instructions. I don't recommend repeating any of that. It's just my random experience. I'm putting things to the test. So, obviously, I'm just gonna take my time here. I have no idea how long it will take. But basically, while I'm doing this, I'm just gonna, yeah, not yet. I'm just gonna close the tabs that I don't need anymore, just like that. So yeah, Henry, basically that's it. But actually, there's one more thing. Everything you need is available right there. All the info, all the examples, and actually you can snag some free promo codes. So keep that in mind. Okay, so I guess it's time to refresh this thing here. Nothing happens. Basically, that's totally unexpectable, but I'm totally loving it. I mean, it's just how it is. All the details are here, and it's just crazy.